days into their power outage because of the storm. And someone said on Twitter, let's not forget about Puerto Rico. It's been months without power for those folks after that awful hurricane. So, again, perspective. Everything's relevant. Let's hope everybody gets back on the grid as soon as possible, no matter what the cause was. But thank you to that person on Twitter. Perspective is important. So, a better weekend,
and so is empathy, right? No, it's true. It's good.
Yes, better days ahead for sure, especially heading into this weekend. We've got temperatures that are pretty much where we would expect them to be here in March. We've also got skies that are absolutely beautiful. Look at the big star shining over all of us. Absolutely gorgeous. The ball of fire, known as the sunshine, is back, ready to do some work, melting a lot today. It's going to take some time. We have some areas with 10 to 12 inches of snow on the ground in parts of northwest New Jersey. Also, there are some New York counties that topped off in the upper teens to 20 inches with the storms we had. It's going to be dry around here for a couple of days. On Tuesday, we could see some light snow showers or flurries. Other than that, no major storms here in the next couple of days. It's a real close call with that storm Sunday night into Monday, but the good news is that one steers clear of us. So we start this day hovering around the freezing point in most locations. The exception to that, 20s for the higher elevations, north and west Monticello's at 24 and Andover currently at 26. Actually, out on Montauk, we've got 37 too, so there's the other end of the spectrum for us. Normal high for this time of year is 48. We're going to fall a few degrees shy of this over the next couple of days, but close to it. Mid-40s is where we will end up later today. You'll also notice as we spring forward and get into the middle of the week just how long the sun is with us through the afternoon, so that's going to be a welcome change for many of us. Looking at the snow so far on the ground here with the storms that we've had over the last couple of days, you can see we have very little amounts for South Jersey, but you get into parts of northwest New Jersey and then also through New York, Orange, Rockland, even up into Sullivan and Ulster counties. We've got a lot of snow on the ground, 10 to 12, even more, even some amounts closing in on 20 inches with the first nor'easter that we had. So an incredible amount of snow to melt here over the next couple of days. We'll have sunshine to do that, and temperatures that are favorable for melting, mid to upper 40s, will do that. We have no storms to worry about until late Sunday night. Look at the moisture coming across the Carolinas, and we'll see this storm develop to the south of us, steering clear of our area, so that's the good news. But 10th to the 12th, as that moves just to the south of us, it's going to create a snow and rain mix, and also some heavy thunderstorms down to the south. So doing any traveling, this can be very disruptive. Again, this is south of our area, but something to keep our eye on as we go through the early part of next week. Breaking down our numbers, 45 for the high with a chilly breeze tonight. We go to 31. We're sub-freezing overnight, and temperatures will be in the mid-40s to end the weekend as well. The AccuWeather 7-day forecast, we don't quite hit any warm numbers until we get late in the week. Then that will be a pattern shift for us. So low 40s take us here through the middle of the week. Good skies. Like I said, there could be a chance for some flurries or light showers on Tuesday. But Friday, we really turn the corner, and that's where we'll see the temperatures bounce above the average. And I think we get a nice little spring fling, shall we say? I like that, spring fling, heading into the first official days of spring. So there we go with the 50 on Friday, and then March 20th is the first official day of spring.
Bring it!
9:16 a.m. in 2018. And as that happens 10 days from now, I think we'll be in a nice little mild pattern.
10 days from now, spring officially begins. Thank you.
I never thought
always mean the weather cooperates.
Mild pattern were the most beautiful words ever. Thank you, Amy.
Hello, spring. Come on, girl. Come on, old girl. Get over here.
Okay.
All right. So tired of the cold.
Everyone.
I'm done.
Oh, coming up on Eyewitness News, the Yanks under the light in Orlando. We have highlights from the Magic Kingdom next in sports.